Hey guys, welcome back. We will tie the ponytail and tie the rubber band like this. Now roll down the hairs, fix it like this, put a clutch and your bun is ready. Next we will tie the ponytail, roll the hairs and put this bun clip on the side like this. Now tie the hairs from the top and fix it inside like this and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the ponytail and fix it in the between like this. Now divide it from the between, roll the hairs and fix it inside the bun on the top. Tie it and fix it and your bun is ready. Next we will tie the ponytail, rotate the hairs as we are doing. After that we will tie the hairs on the end and fold it upward like this, fix it and your bun is ready. Next we will tie the ponytail and fix it in the between like this. Tie it from the between and divide it. Now rotate the hairs and fix it on the top like this. Now tie the rest of the hairs and fix it using a clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Further, we will be taking few sections of the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back, fix a clutch and it's ready. Or you can tie all the hairs like this, fold it upward and then you can put a clutch and your bun will be ready. Next, we will use this hairpin to make a bun. Fix it in the hairs like this and put it. Now roll down the hairs and fix it using a hair clip and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next use this hair clutch to make a bun. Roll the hairs and fold it and put that hair clutch on the hairs and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.